Hello everybody, today's lesson stretch exercise made for any guitar player at any skill of a level. It will improve your flexibility, strengthen up your finger. It will enable you to play wider intervals across the fretboard. It will help the beginners who are struggling with bar chords or any chords, but also it's a good as a pre-practice before your warm-up routine for any level, whether you are an intermediate or advanced. So start slowly and keep every position for a few seconds, but if you feel any source of pain, quit immediately. Okay, do the peace and love sign, index, middle. Wrap it around the neck. Middle, go on the lowest string. Index, go on the highest string. Low E, high E. Press both of them and start playing octave. This one was the easiest one. It's exactly the same procedure we do with the pinky and the ring finger. So, pinky goes on lowest E, lowest string, ring go on the highest. And same thing. And now this is the hardest one, the ring and the middle. Ring on the lowest string and middle on the highest string. And let's do the shifting. So, beautiful people, I appreciate every one of you watching the lesson. Right now I'm using a floor map as a microphone stand, but I think there's a time for an upgrade. So, if you want to help me out to get some actual studio gear, there's a link in the description. Now, today we covered essential finger stretching exercises to improve your dexterity and flexibility. Some takeaways: practice slowly with control, never force the stretch. Add the exercise to your daily routine and you will notice increased speed, reach and control across the fretboard. Please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cheers!